So now that we have a middleware function, we can either go to index.js. Look, here we are applying middleware functions. So we can add that here, and then it will be executed before every route handler. But we don't want to do this because not all API endpoints should be protected. Some of our API endpoints should be public, like registering a user or logging in or getting the list of genres or customers. So in this case, we want to apply this middleware function selectively to certain endpoints. So back to the genres module. Here's our post route handler. The first argument is the route. The second is optionally middleware. And the third will be the actual route handler. So let's go on the top, import this middleware function, so require. Now we need to go one level up and then go to the middleware folder and load the auth module. We get it and put it here. And finally, here in the post method, we pass auth as a middleware function to be executed before this other middleware function, which is in this case a route handler. So now let's test this. Back in Postman, I'm going to open a new tab, send a post request to the genres endpoint. So HTTP localhost API genres. Now in this case, I'm not worried about the body of the request. I just want to know if we can call this API endpoint or not. So send. Okay, look, we got this 401 or unauthorized error. And here's the error message: access denied, no token provided. Now let's provide an invalid token. So we go to the headers tab, set the key, that is x-auth-token. I put an invalid token, send. Okay, we got 400 or bad request with this message, invalid token. Beautiful. Now finally, let's go back to our register user tab. We got a valid authentication token. So let's copy this back to the third tab, put it here, and then send. Okay, now we got a bad request, but this is not because of the authentication. This is because we expected the name property in the body of the request. So if I add a JSON object here in the body, name, new genre. Now we should be good. Send. So we got a 200 response, and this is the new genre. Beautiful. So as an exercise, I want you to apply this middleware function to other route handlers that modify data.